How can we wait on the Lord? The church tells us in its teaching, Catechism of the Catholic Church, CCC 1877. It says like this: the vocation of humanity is to show forth the image of God to the world and to be transformed into the image of God's only Son, Jesus Christ. My dear brothers and sisters, we can be truly prepared to meet our Savior. It's only when we are transformed into the image of Jesus Christ. And when we are transformed, we can show who God is to others, to people who do not know. We don't need to preach, but our very way of life becomes like the way of Jesus. This is what Jesus says: come to me, learn from me. This is what we need to do, my dear brothers and sisters. Come to Jesus, learn from him, receive whatever he tells us, and become like him, be transformed like him. It's only then will our preparation to welcome Jesus will be truly done by us.